So the Godox AD200 is basically just a normal light speed, which is normally used on the go if as a portable solution instead of carrying around your Godox 400. So these are they're lightweight, they're not too heavy, which I was actually quite surprised about. And they can have diffusers on them, which does make a big difference. So there's one which you can put on, which is a circles it a collapsible diffuser, which just evens out the whole skin. It makes it seem less shiny and it just has a nicer finish. This is really important, I think, because that's one area, especially for our front covers, which we're all going to have to do. But it can also have other diffusers, such as the global one, which will be definitely fun to use. I think what's really good is how they can be attached to different, what would you say, accessories, basically. So this, for example, the AD-B2, it's quite new apparently, but as you can see here in the photograph, it's already on there. But it can be attached to one of these little things, which makes it a portable 400-watt light flash, which is really good. And I love the finish of it, and even the